Welcome to Fulidhoo Island in the Maldives. This was by far my favourite island, and in my opinion, this is the most underrated island in the Maldives. So keep watching and I'll show you exactly why I think that. Alright, new island, Fulidhoo. Fulidhoo. It's a small island. It's a local island. It was about a 90-minute speedboat from Mali. Wow. I know I've said it before, I'll say it again. When you think of paradise, this is the spot. Look, you've got the palm trees, you've got the beach. You can't really see it at the moment, but the water's very blue. Because of the sunlight, it doesn't look as blue. Fulidhoo. That salt smell.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, we get a buggy. What is this?
I think this is why you
Oh, thank you.
pre-booked, I think. Because on the other island we didn't, so we walked around with the luggage, and I think if you booked, they pick you up.
It is amazing. Buggy.
Wow. This is peaceful.
It's very quiet. We went to another island, Mafushi. It's beautiful, but very touristy and very loud, and a lot of things going on. This just feels very calm. Very calm. More underdeveloped, not as developed as Mafushi, which is nice. This is what I want. Very nice.
Here's the first hotel.
Just there?
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful. Thank you.
Amazing.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. So look. Lovely. Great view. After I checked in my room, I walked around the island, and my first impressions were it's really quiet, and there was like basically no tourists there. Very minimal. I didn't see many at all the first day. It was crazy. Very, very peaceful. It takes only 10 minutes to walk around the island. There's cafes. It was the most peaceful place I've ever been to in my life. Yeah, so this island feels very clean and authentic. There's not a lot of, there's tourists obviously, but not a lot. And it just feels clean. It's got a great energy. I know I'm not being very descriptive here, but that's the only way I can describe it. And yeah, wow, look at those clouds. There's crab holes everywhere. So crazy. I just don't want to get bitten by a crab. Crabs scare me. Whoa, that's a big mama.
Yes.
That's a big mama.
Wow.
Mama, yes.
Holy moly. Holy moly. That is massive. That is amazing. One of the biggest sharks I've seen. That's so big. Whoa. That's crazy.
Mama,
Is that a nurse shark?
Yeah.
Yeah. Big mama. Hello, mama. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. That is one of the most amazing things I've seen. I'm not exaggerating.
I'm the same.
That is beautiful. Whoa. Crazy. This is the buffet here. Beautiful. Ah, looks good. Nice. Pasta. Don't know what that is, but it looks good. More salad. Not sure what that is, but... Wow, look, she's right there with it. She's touching it. Look. Alright, it was time to jump in the water and find a turtle. The turtle was so peaceful, wasn't bothered by anyone, just did its own thing. So amazing to see. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit scared when I seen all these sharks getting fed.
Jump, one by one, jump.
Now it's time to jump in, be the first one in with the sharks. They were super curious, and it helped me knowing they're very gentle sharks. They're not aggressive, and it was one of the most incredible experiences being down there in the wild habitat with them. Alright, about to go in this beautiful beach. It's very blue. I can only see 4 people here. 4 people in one of the best beaches I've ever seen. It's crazy. It's so blue. Hopefully you can see it on the camera, how blue that is. Holy shit. Wow. This is my favorite island by far. The quietest island. Actually, I'd say the cheapest in many ways. There's just not many people. You know, when there's beautiful places like this, it's normally filled with tourists. But I think it's quite far away in the Maldives, and yeah, not many tourists come, which is good for me. I'm not joking. Underwater looked like a pool. I could open my eyes. It was clear. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Just want to show you in this drone shot in the next one as well how amazing this beach is, just so you can get a feel for how blue, how quiet it is considering how beautiful it is. It's so quiet, so beautiful. Have a look, guys. Alright, so this is the king room. Let's have a look. Very nice. Very nice. We've got the bar. Very good. Good sized bed. Then we have the jacuzzi, or whatever you call it, spa, jacuzzi. Very nice. Found this amazing swing on the beach, and I wanted to show you the supermarket or the market where you get food. They had everything you need there, but just beware, there is no ATMs, so you have to bring cash to this island. If you do that, you'll be fine. Oh, there's a cafe. Cafe Resort. Hello, folks. Hey! Alright, it's time to leave Fulidhoo. And last one more night in the Maldives and to Sri Lanka. It's been very beautiful. The Maldives gets 5 out of 5 stars. Okay, here's my final thoughts on the island. It is obviously my favorite, like I said at the start. It's affordable, you got the shark diving, you've got everything you want, it's authentic, it's clean, there's not many tourists. I reckon, and I'm not joking, I've probably seen 20 tourists in I think I was there 3 days. So, very, very quiet. If I go back to the Maldives, I will be going back here, and I highly recommend that you do your research and come to this island if you're feeling like it. I would not say that lightly. It is my favorite by far. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog.